Today I'm reading David Gets in Trouble by David Shannon. When David gets in trouble, he always says, "No, it's not my fault. I didn't mean to. It was an accident." Do I have to? I forgot. My dog ate my homework. I couldn't help it. I was hungry. But she likes it. It slipped. But Dad says it. Excuse me. No, it wasn't me. Yes, it was me. I'm sorry. I love you, Mom. All right, today's writing topic. The best place to play in my neighborhood. So brainstorm. Remember, kind of close your eyes, massage your brain, and think, where is the best place to play in your neighborhood? Maybe your neighborhood doesn't have a lot of houses close by, so the best place to play is in my house. Or maybe the best place to play is outside. Maybe you like to go to your neighbor's house. Maybe your neighborhood has a swing set. All right. So it could be the best place to play in your neighborhood is my house. We have a twisty slide. The girls can swing. Maybe the best place to play in your entire neighborhood you think is in your basement because you guys have some really cool toys to play with. And you'd love to have your friends over. Okay. So again, the best place to play in my neighborhood is... I sent you a video you could have watched that was sent last night. It has tens and ones, just to remind you. I want to make sure that we're clear on how to do this. This page is exactly the same as before, kindergartners. So again, you're going to color the one-digit numbers this time. So one number, one digit. So example would be 5. You want to color those ones that have one number. What number is shown on the mat? So you have to count. Remember, you can just say 10, 11, 12, or you can say 10, 10 and 1, 10 and 2. The number is 110, and how many ones? So if I write 12, it has 110, and that second number tells us how many ones it has. Draw more, so the blocks equal 14. So you're going to have to draw these little blocks, and they showed you an example. Circle the sets that equal 11. Now, I had a question about this. This is an entire set. Everything that you can see, kindergartners, so whether it's attached to the balloons or it's separate, count all of those. Okay, they want to know how many are in that entire set of balloons. So all the gumballs here and this gumball on the bottom. All right. So you're going to find the ones that make 11. Skip counting bunnies. You're going to be counting by tens. So start by writing the tens up in the bunnies' bellies all the way to 100, and then you have to write them down here. You're looking to make sure your numbers are correct. Okay, so make sure your numbers are written in the correct direction. If you write a 5 backwards, just erase it and redo it. All right. Or if you can't do that, cross it out and then write it again. But I'd like you to try to get the numbers correct in the lines. So think about a 5. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Down, around, and then turn off the water. Okay, think about how to make those numbers. And then the writing, which again is the best place to play in my neighborhood is, and then the last part is ED is yellow, AT is red, OT is orange. Now, I'm guessing that most of you have crayons. If for some reason you do not have crayons, then instead of yellow, all the add words are going to be circles. If you don't have a red, all the AT can be triangles, and then the OT can be squares. So if you do not have crayons, just do a circle around the ed, a triangle around the at, and a square around the out words. Okay? Again, I want you guys to do this any way you possibly can. All right? And I'm just looking for the effort. So going back to this paper, make sure that you're taking your time doing it right. That's the most important thing, that you're taking your time and you're getting the information down. All right? I hope you guys have a great day. I look forward to seeing you guys again soon. And I will be going into work again today. So I've been trying to get into the school at least once every 3 or 4 days, trying to get stuff done, come up with new ideas. And I've been trying to come up with some new Zoom ideas. So hopefully we'll have some fun. Remember, on Monday, we are going to do our Zoom, and I'm calling it a talent show. So you can give a couple jokes, sing a song for us. I'm going to give you like 1 to 3 minutes. If you start going past 3 minutes, we're probably going to say, okay, let's wrap it up. But try to give everybody time to do a talent. And that way you guys can share the stuff that you like to do. So it's kind of like a show and tell, but you're showing yourself and what you enjoy. And if you don't have a talent and you say, Mr. Buckman, I'm not really talented that way, just talk about your favorite sport. I really like to play basketball, and I think I'm pretty good at it. Or I'm a cheerleader. Okay, if you have your little baton because you're in twirling, share that. You don't have to actually do an activity, but if you have the space and you want to show us your baton, great. If you want to go outside with your video and you want to twirl the baton for 2 minutes, if the weather's nice enough, that would be an option too. So I hope to see you guys on Monday. All right, bye.